Mimosa fly.
Can Shang-Chi sneeze?
Hey, hey. Oh, hi, hi. What is up, everyone? We're at Disney. My name's Christine. Welcome to the Disneyland vlog, episode 5. I'm here with friends, and then we're gonna meet some more friends later, and you'll get to see them. We're going to try some of the food and wine stuff. Mimosa fly. Hello, y'all.
Yay, we're gonna try!
That one's the classic one. Okay, okay, okay. That's good.
That's good!
Ooh. I like this one.
Yeah, I like this one. That's cuter.
This one's good.
That one's better, number 1. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try the last one.
Cheers.
This one's number 1. Nope.
Ooh.
You like that one?
I do.
That one's the dragon fruit, I think.
This one's good too. We're about to finish this leg right now. So, are we drinking it?
Yeah.
Done.
Good. I say
Update you on
8
how
out of
we
10.
Say hi to our friends. We're on the way to Avengers Campus. We're starting to feel it.
Feeling it! Shout out to the mimosa!
I know. Put on my hat, guys.
Oh,
it's so cute. It's kind of old. Sorry.
You do a flip.
No, closer, closer, closer. Oh, damn.
Wait.
Whoa. Ooh. Oh! Patrick.
Not bad.
Yeah.
It's kind of salty. Like,
Not bad. No, it is.
salty.
Trying the bacon, mac and cheese.
I like how it isn't too
Luigi
salty.
cone.
Mm-hmm.
Actually salty.
Like it doesn't even need the bacon.
The bread's good too.
Go ahead, go ahead. Should I take a big bite?
I think you have
Yum.
Nice. That was okay.
Yummy. We're gonna give out a poll. Can Shang-Chi sneeze? Yes or no?
Wait,
Keep in mind, he grew up in the Bay.
He is from the Bay.
after he came from China. So.
Although he was trained just for martial arts though.
Exactly.
So when was he gonna find the time to train for sneezing? I don't know.
Okay, now we're finally getting food.
We're getting food.
Finally.
It's the garlic carbonara mac and cheese.
Yummy,
yummy.
Give us the rundown. What did y'all get?
Grilled top sirloin.
Okay.
Mashed potatoes and pesto.
Yes, and of course the steak.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
Pretty good.
Okay, the pesto's good.
The mashed potatoes pretty good too.
Pesto's creamy.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay.
Recommend, I recommend.
Nice.
We just got off Guardians and we had the best song. We're vibing. We got We Want You Back and it was so good. Yeah, yeah, Mickey, Mickey, Mickey. Hey, 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 hey. You're so fun. Aww. It's raining so hard now. We're trying to find refuge. Sorry. Say hi, vlog! 5 minutes only, let's go.
Where's me? Get me, Kevin! Go for it! Look at that!
It shows the.
Cheese pet song.
Where'd you get it?
Over there.
Got it!
Hey, Rocky, Rocky.
You got his turkey leg!
Why do you have a makeup pouch?
That's what I'm saying! I'm saying
It's like a makeup pouch because it has like one handle on one side.
It's a turkey pouch for now. It's a turkey pouch.
Wow! Churro time! Yay! Let me see your churro. You got it. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, okay, next on the list, green apple.
Frozen apple. It's a frozen apple. Wow.
Finally, green apple time, but it's not even green.
You know, it is like applesauce. But I kind of like it.
I was expecting something different.
What about it is different?
It's not green.
I can name one thing.
You know, it's probably because I'm thirsty. Oh, that's it.
Yeah. We're in line for Toontown right now. We're in It's a Small World. I know. Why is there a line? Toontown just reopened this week too. They have like some refurbishments and stuff. I'm sure everyone's seen like the news and stuff. So we're really excited to check them out. We have to loop around just to get in. That's crazy. We made it! We're gonna run away! It's so cute! Go, Joe! This is so freaking cute! It's real. This is crazy. Childhood dreams come true. It's Mickey shaped. Hello, Bushy. Everyone told us to go in the front, so we're going to the front. Wait, this is so cute. Stop, guys. Whoa, we're watching it. Yeah. What? So cool. So I'm going to talk to y'all later and give you a review. Bye. Everything
What's everyone buying?
so cute. Hi. Those are cute.
I want to pull the door.
We just got off Runaway Railway. That was so
fun.
good.
I didn't expect them to be moving me like that and vibrating my butt like that. I was like,
Where she's going.
yeah!
That was so cute.
So fun.
Oh, good job. Good
Good
job,
job,
y'all.
Imagineers.
Do they card? Are you born on a leap year?
I am 11 years old.
Show me around. Show me around.
Okay, come on.
Security. They got security.
Go.
Fit, show us the fit. Oh my god, it's Max! Oh my god!
Breakfast stand here.
One, two, three. You got it easy, one hand. Yeah. This place is so cute. Whoa. We're in line for Matterhorn. Kind of scared. I hate the Matterhorn at night.
Trying to tug this.
Matterhorn was cold and scary as always. We're about to go on Space Mountain now. Oh well, we're about to leave, guys. Sorry, we're walking out of the parks now, but bye.